Do you have a product that you're trying to sell online? Are your sales less than you'd like them to be? Are you doing all the work and receiving little or no results? Well, that's exactly the problem. You're doing all the work. J. Paul Getty, one of the first people in the world to amass a fortune of over $1 billion, once said, "I'd rather have 1% of the effort of 100 men than 100% of my own effort." Now that's smart advice. It's called leverage. But you don't have to stop at 100, and you get to keep much more than 1%. How about keeping 50% of the profits from the efforts of 1,000 people or more? That's serious leverage. You're about to be introduced to a system that reveals 100 different techniques for building a massive affiliate sales force. Simply fill in the form to the right, and you'll discover how to build an affiliate army that will advertise your products for you for free. Enter your first name and primary email address. Then click Build My Army. You'll receive my free 5-part training series that reveals 5 of these powerful techniques. It's delivered instantly to you via email. This course has a $67 value, but if you act quickly, it's yours 100% free with no strings attached. So fill in the form right now.